Let's see how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now usually, whenever we type something into Microsoft Word, we don't have the option to rotate that text. However, one thing we can do is to head on over to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Now click on Simple Text Box and change the format. Now go ahead and type in whatever you want. And there you go. Now you'll notice that we have the option to rotate this text box. And basically, that solves the problem of rotating your text. However, to make it look even cleaner, what we can do is right-click on the text box, change the outline to no outline, and you'll see that you still have the option to rotate your text, even though there is no more outline on your text box. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.